Today's featured car of the day is a 1970 Dodge Coronet 500 convertible. And I'll read from the auction website at Mecum, and it states 1970 Dodge Coronet 500 convertible, 383 V8 4-speed. And it's B5 blue is the color with a white interior and a white top, convertible top. And this one was lot number S225 at the Mecum Dallas Fort Worth 2025 auction, and on Saturday, November 1st of 2025. And the highlights are highly detailed restoration, 1970 Coronet with RT trim added, matching numbers 383 cubic inch V8 engine, factory 4-speed manual transmission, factory Ramcharger cold air induction hood, B5 blue exterior, white bucket seat interior, power operated white convertible top, power steering, power brakes, center console, Hurst pistol grip shifter, AM/FM radio, styled road wheels, and it bid to $60,000 but did not sell. And it was a good looking car, that's for sure. It's right color combo, being B5 blue, the bright blue with the white interior and white top, and Magnum 500 wheels. Definitely had a good look to it. But unfortunately, that wasn't enough to sell it. It might have been all the money. Who knows? Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.